So we've probably got, and correct me if I'm wrong, guys, the biggest Cardano community within any of the tokens on this channel. So if you're in the Cardano army, let me know in the comments below. What was your entry price? How well are you doing within Cardano? Have you been in Cardano for years? Are you new to Cardano? Where are you on your journey? So we've been on the journey for this channel since the last bull run, and we've been following this chart with some success all the way down. So if you recognize any of these emotions, anyone that's been in Cardano since the last cycle, you've been through all of these emotions, all the way through belief, thrill, euphoria, and then followed the market down in the bear market, complacency, anxiety, denial. So we've had some success on there. We knew exactly where we were going to hit resistance. We knew this 38.2% was going to be strong for Cardano. We've rejected from there. We're creating a bull pennant now. Now, a bull pennant, that's a bullish move. We need one thing to happen on a bull pennant. We need a break and a close to the upside, given the bull's momentum to push price through the previous resistance, which is the 38.2% here. So 38.2% is actually sitting at $1.32 on Cardano. This is the aim of the game at the moment. We're trying to break this flag. Once we break this flag to the upside, there's a high probability that we will break it to the upside because it's a bull pennant. Tell it's a bull pennant because this moved to the upside here. So we've got a stronger probability, and for an even stronger probability with a less risk, then we need a break. We need a break. What's possibly going to happen is you're going to get a double top from here, double top, a rejection to come back down and confirm this level here. So if we come back down, the support zone sitting around about 0.9938 and $1.03. So a pullback to $1.03 after you've got a pullback, I'd expect to see a surge and another test to take out this 38.2% retracement. Now, what will happen there, guys? This is the weekly. We'll delve into the daily. Get rid of this mess first. Delve into the daily. What actually needs to happen on Cardano? We need momentum. How do we get momentum? We need reset of the indicators. So that's the weekly. We'll go into the daily and we'll just pull up the indicators, and you can see we've had a pullback in the indicators when we hit this resistance level here. Look how the stochastic reacts. Overbought, needed a pullback. Exactly the same on the RSI, pullback. So we've had a pullback. Where do we pull back to? This line of support. You're at this line of support and the indicators have pulled back and reset. So what I'm saying is potentially you could get some kind of a pullback to test this support. And as you test this support, this stochastic is going to come oversold. Once it becomes oversold, then the bulls have got a higher probability of testing this big macro 38.2% retracement. So that's the aim of the game, guys. That's at, like I say, $1.30. Once you get a break and once you get a close above, that's when I see the surge happening. That's when I see this surge happening. So the price from there to the $2 is a 49.97% increase. Now, with Cardano's got a lot going on with it. It's integrating with Bitcoin. There's lots of things happening on Cardano. So fundamentally, it's lasted the test of time. There's lots being built on there, and it's looking optimistic going forward as far as world adoption is concerned. So that's positive. However, when you look at the Cardano chart in comparison to, for example, the Total 3 chart, you can see Total 3 has come and tested its previous bull market high, where Cardano hasn't even broken and closed below above the 38.2%. So that's going to be the first indication. And if we do get this surge all the way to $2, then it's going to catch up a lot quicker, guys. So something like this potentially could happen. Once you get a break and close of Total 3, Cardano, the indicators are going to reset. It's going to pull back. It's going to break through the 38.2. It's going to surge all the way to the 618, pull back, possibly getting support at the 0.5 Fibonacci level, and then you can have a test of all-time highs. So that could be a quick move, guys. So if anyone's not in Cardano at the moment, then they'll probably be buying here, they'll probably be buying here, they'll probably be buying here, and they're probably buying here. They'll be averaging their position up. And remember, guys, the aim of the game on this channel, average positions down. So we're not trying to increase our average entry, you're trying to decrease your average entry. So to a certain extent, guys, I'm pretty much in the crypto market as far as I need to be at the moment. Then if pullbacks come, I can take small opportunities on the pullbacks, possibly from a trading perspective rather than an investment perspective. My investments are locked in now. I'll be trading to capitalize and potentially move some of those trading profits. If they are profits, guys, remember it's a trading game, it's probabilities game. Taking the profits from there and then moving that potentially into my investments. But as far as me putting new money in my investments are concerned, I'm pretty much done now. So that's how I expect Cardano to run. It's going to run a lot harder if we're going to break and we're going to close above all-time highs. Do I think we will? I do think that we will. And you know what? The aim of my game, guys. Once we get a break and a close of total 3, I've got 10 to 12 weeks to scale out of the market. Might put a top in around about then. It might not put a top in around about then, but that's my strategy. I need to stick to it because I need to capitalize off any of the gains. I'm not going to ride it to the top and then hope that it's going to go forever and then take it all out at the top, guys, because we can't pick top. So this is my strategy. This is what I'm sticking to it, and it's giving me a higher probability of taking something out of the market. So I'll be looking at the time in the market for Cardano. Once total 3 breaks its all-time high, how quick can Cardano run to test its previous all-time high? If it runs hard, then we can look at extensions. If it doesn't run hard, then I'll be looking at these levels here, which are the retracement levels, 61.8, that kind of thing, guys. So that's how I'm playing Cardano. That's how I'm expecting it to play out during the bull run. All you can do is monitor it each time and then work out probabilities going forward on what you expect to happen next, guys. Can't time the top of the market, can't time the bottom of the market. All we can do is capitalize on small amounts during a period of time that we think is the scaling out time. The distribution time is the alt season for me. Right, okay, guys, bit of a ramble there, but hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments what you want me to cover next. I'm going to be trying to do more Cardano videos. I'm going to try and do weekly Cardano videos for you. Like I say, we've got a bit of an ADA army here, so let me know in the comments and shout out loud if you're part of the ADA army, get to know each other, join the Discord group. Link in the description below. See you in the next one. Bye from me.